Welcome to my channel, All for Health with Jane. Family, on the Senzo Meyiwa Trial, after the three advocates who were opposing the idea or the intention of the state to recall Colonel Steyn to the witness stand, Judge Ratha is giving his own ruling. Judge Ratha starts by referring to about 5 cases that is supporting him in what he is going to say to this court, or in terms of the ruling that he is going to give in accordance to the intention of the state to recall Colonel Steyn. So after he has done that, family, let's hear as Judge Ratha is giving out that ruling. Let's watch and listen.
So all the authorities are saying to me, listen, they're saying to me, I don't have to be supine. I've got to be proactive where I think that justice will fail if I don't make I don't entertain such an application. They are actually saying I will be committing an irregularity. It's not me saying that. 5 judges of the SCA quoted to the case of Mchweni. So it's settled law that if it is within the reasons of logic, there is an argument between the state and the defense regarding whether evidence has to be corrected or clarified, or evidence in the administration of justice can never ever happen. They say the judge should err on the side of the application. And I've already conceded that I don't understand what Steyn was saying there. Never explained it to this court. I don't understand. And the state says it's not a contradiction. It is a misunderstanding, a misconception. So here we have a misconception, a misunderstanding, a contradiction, and a non-understanding, all from persons in this room. So why not call the person who is causing that very misunderstanding, misconception, to come and explain, and he's alive. And there's no prejudice, by the way, none. When he comes here and perjures himself, this court can even charge him with perjury, Steyn. If he comes here and perjures himself, there are criminal consequences. But it doesn't matter which way he comes and testifies. For this court, the truth must be told. And there's only one person who can tell the truth about this. It's Steyn himself. He's the analyst, not me, not Mr. Momalo or Mr. Baloyi. Consequently, the application is acceded to. Yeah.
May I just request to establish something after the order of the court,
Right.
after the ruling of the court? In this clarification purpose, will it not invite new facts, because we are not sure what Steyn is going to say?
Yeah.
And I was appealing to the court to guard against new facts, because that will not serve the purpose
Yes, you're
for
right.
which Section 167
You're right.
But
Mr. Mnisi says, actually, if it's all new evidence, it's okay. Is that not what you said, sir?
I just missed the court, madam.
You said if it's new evidence, you would understand.
I really did not mean it in that context.
Okay, fine. No, there are parameters to what Steyn can come here and tell us. He has already given evidence. He's just here to clarify. So it's not like he starts by telling me that he was an analyst employed by the Ruperts, blah, 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 blah. No. It's circumscribed. This application is circumscribed. According to Baloyi, it's on 3 aspects. Am I right, sir? It's circumscribed to come and clarify.
Indeed, my lord.
That's what you say.
Yes, indeed, my lord. But
So I'm saying there's no prejudice to anybody. This witness will be taken into cross-examination. Because like I have said, and as we all know, Ms. Pinky Thallingham knows nothing about that parcel spreadsheet. Knows nothing. She never participated in it.
As well.
Yeah.
In the light of the court's ruling and in the light of what I had previously asked the witness, Ms. Vitilinger,
Was it?
I asked Ms. Put a proposition, in fact, to her.
Yeah.
And my learned colleague, Mr. Sibanda, objected to say, Mr. Steyn didn't say so. Will that now be an opportunity also to
Yes.
clarify those aspects?
Yeah, you can.
I'm happy, Madam. Thank you.
Yeah.
I mean, that's it.
Mr. Steyn, Mr. Sibanda, and Mr. Baloyi are one and the same. Is that not so, sir? What is said by your colleague is said by
yes,
you.
indeed, my lord.
That's why mina
yeah.
I'm still staying.
We just want to point out that in clarification of those issues, there might be documents that will be used just to demonstrate, to be used in clarification.
Yeah, no.
Yes, yes.
It's a clarification. I don't know what Steyn is going to. Steyn is going to say. Me, I never understood him. You just take A and B and you do this and you come out. That's all he said. So he'll come and tell us exactly what he did. Okay.
Yes, if we may perhaps adjourn us, it's about 20 to 1, just to show the documents that Colonel Steyn will be using to my colleagues and just agree on the way forward. Maybe we can resume at 2.
Any objection? I don't have to see those documents. But he wants to show you those documents. Hello?
There are documents that the state would love to share with us, madam.
Yeah, I don't know what.
Yes, madam.
Family, we have heard in his ruling that Judge Ratha has acceded to the application of the state for recalling Colonel Steyn back to the witness stand. Judge Ratha has admitted to that, so we are waiting for Colonel Steyn to come and clarify the court. To come and, you remember the discrepancy that we say we saw, or maybe the differences that we saw on the numbers that called Kelly Kumalo. So Colonel Steyn must come and clarify that. So family, we shall wait for that. And as soon as Colonel Steyn is here, we are going to report on that. Thank you very much for watching this video to the end, family. Please do not forget to like it before you leave. Subscribe for my channel if you haven't done so yet. I love you, family. Thank you. Bye.